Thought I'd show you a little bit about the blizzard conditions we've got. It's not super windy here because the wind is coming from the north. If you look though, the visibility just disappears. Got some drifts forming. And like I said, you can look over at the field over there, and where the north wind can blow through, it is just not easy to see. Flakes coming down. Got some drifting and blowing snow over there by the bales. Ice flowers look kind of cool like that though. So, but anyway, stay safe, stay warm, take care.